Back with the C43, and today it's all about the sports exhaust. It's really quite juvenile, having it popping and banging, but it's also very addictive. Don't expect to get good MPG. That right foot becomes very heavy all of a sudden, but it's a lot of fun. I'll show you how to set up the dynamic select, because you'll want to configure the individual option so you've got quick easy access to put it into juvenile mode. We'll do that now, and then take the car out for a spin and have a listen. So as I said before, the absolute must do is to set up the configuration for individual setting. As you can see, here it is. So from the home screen, you've got vehicle, dynamic select, move across to individual configuration, select. First thing you've got there is drive. You're going to want that in dynamic. Transmission, manual, so then you can use the paddle shifts on the steering wheel. Suspension, personally, as I've said in a previous video, I think the suspension is more than firm enough in comfort, so personally I'm going to leave it in comfort. Exhaust, obviously you want that on powerful. ESP, we're leaving that on. We're not professional drivers here, so let's have some assistance. And that's it, that's individual setup. So there you go, that's the C43 Sports Exhaust doing its thing. I'm sure you can appreciate how it's so much more impressive in person when you actually drive in the car, but hopefully you've got a little sample of how much fun it can be. Coming up in the future, I'm going to do a comparison between the C43, the Porsche Macan Turbo, Porsche Cayenne Coupe Turbo and Bentley Continental GT. Let's have a listen, see which one sounds best. If you want to catch that video, then please subscribe, and that'll be coming shortly.